Hey you guys, it's Megan. We are live for round 2 today. This morning I did a live shipping video and now I decided it's finally time to open up the bulk box. BULK. Let me back this up so you can see it, maybe. Bulk. Okay. So the only reason I bought this box is because if you guys have been looking at the eBay news, eBay is doing this partnership now with BULQ where you can buy inventory from them directly on the BULQ eBay store, and basically it will create the eBay listing drafts for you and you can get your box of stuff, inspect it, take your pictures and finish the listings, and it's supposed to be like a really quick and easy way to kind of scale your business. But the reason I bought this box is because I also received an email for a $50 eBay supply coupon if I made a purchase from the BULQ store. Now, I am aware at this point that not everyone got that BULQ promotion. So I did make a post the other week on my Instagram about checking your email to see if you got the promotion for that. And many of you did comment that you did not receive the promotion. So I guess it was a targeted email. Some people got it, some people didn't. I got it, and that is the only reason I bought this box. So the box was $30, shipping was $35, so that's $65. And then I already got my $50 eBay supply coupon, which I used to buy some more of the round eBay stickers, the 3-inch ones in the holiday colors, because I love those. So as of right now, I probably have like 20 or 30 of those packets of these stickers. Let me just show you what I'm talking about real quick. Hold on. Holiday. So these are my favorite stickers that eBay does every year in the holiday colors, and these are like over $12 for a 100 pack. I would never spend my own money on this. Well, I guess I kind of did because I did pay for this box. But anyways, I wanted more of these, and so I figured I would use that $50 supply coupon to buy more because they only have these during the month of December. So I made a purchase from BULQ just so I could get the eBay supply coupon because it kind of evened out. Hey, for the ones like you, hi everyone, hope you're all having a wonderful day. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day too, because I sure am. Hi MC2Me777, thanks for stopping by. Hi WanderBiz, hi Flip Thrift. All right, so let's get into this. There was a manifest. Now, there was like one picture, and there's one reason that I picked this box over the other boxes. There were a couple other ones that were in this price range. I was looking for the cheapest box possible just so I could get the free eBay supply coupon. But this one had a bunch of Ziploc sandwich bag packages. The manifest says there's 22, and each of those packages is worth about like $5 each. So I figured I would just take all of those sandwich bags and put them in a big lot and resell them for like $100, and I would already make my money back for this lot. It would more than pay for this, plus I got the free eBay supplies. That is the only reason that I bought this box. The other things on the manifest didn't look good. It was just like one picture of random stuff. Probably shouldn't do that, so it has my address on it. It was just a picture of junk, honestly, and the only reason I got this one is because it had 22, it looked like new packages of Ziploc bags, and I figured I could just lot them all together, sell them as one lot, and I would make all my money back. The other lots all looked like trash, honestly. Like there's one picture, and it was just like odds and ends from like their home department, and it just wasn't good. So that's why I picked this one. Did anyone else buy one of these lots from the eBay BULQ store? Please let me know in the comments. I will also post this video to YouTube afterwards if you want to check it out there and see if there's any other comments from other buyers. Okay. Hey, Too Good to Toss, thanks for stopping by. Hi, Pip Milburn. Hi, Wine Flavor 17. Hi, Cats. All right, so let me see if I can tip this up for you guys to see. Everything is really just thrown in here. And here's all the Ziploc bags. I think this was uninspected customer returns. So here they are. Some of them are like a little bit banged up, but this one isn't opened. So it's 100 count sandwich bags, and I did look up the comps. On Amazon right now, you can get 3 of these for 15 bucks, so like $5 a box. I figured I would just throw them all in like one big lot. They're supposed to be 22, so I might keep 2 of them for myself because I do use these bags. And then maybe I'll just sell like 20 packages for like, I don't know, $90 or $100 with free shipping, just to make my money back. So there's 1, 2, what else do we get? It looks like this is, I honestly didn't even look to see what else was in this lot. I was only interested in it for these sandwich bags because I knew I could make my money back. This is like a thermal lunch bag. You guys there? My camera like completely turned off for a second. How much for that box? This box was $65 including shipping. It was $30 for the box and then $35 for shipping. But again, if there was no eBay supply coupon offer, I would never buy this. So this is like a thermal lunch bag, insulated 9-can tote. So I'm assuming that means you could put like 9 cans of beer in here. All of these they look like Target return tag. Not quite sure why my camera on my phone keeps turning off. We may have to end this video and come back if it keeps doing that because my phone screen keeps turning off and I don't know why. Okay, so a thermal tote. I don't know the original price, but it's new with tags. Here is this. This is like a silverware set. This is all Target stuff for sure. And I only know that because I buy a lot of Target palettes. This silverware set is probably missing pieces. And it looks like a cheap one. Yeah, Room Essentials. And the original prices are covered up by those return stickers. I'm assuming this is missing pieces. So just some silverware. They don't look like very good quality either. But this is something I might just keep for us because it seems like we're always losing silverware around our house. Here's a Mickey Mouse cup. There is no top to it. It should have a top because it has like the little ridges in here. Normally $10. Maybe we'll find the lid to it in the box. Hey, EK040404, thanks for stopping by. Hi, Julie Long 3235. Hi, Jennifer Winkler. Lots more of our sandwich bags. These boxes are pretty beat up, but they don't look tampered with. Like they're not actually opened on the like little perforated edges. So I would say that everything is definitely inside. So let me stack these up and we'll make sure we count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a stack of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 10 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15, 16. See, okay, so these ones are open. I might keep the ones that are open. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so they're all here. A couple of the boxes are pretty smashed up, so I may just keep the ones that have like the most damage and then I'll sell in a big lot the ones that look better. There's a couple other items. We have a heart-shaped sandwich cutter. This is really cute. Half the package is missing though, and I honestly don't think I would use this. I don't know, maybe. My kids don't really eat traditional sandwiches. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with that. Whatever. We have a multi-flex bento box, 2 included. This has all of the packaging on it. This is something that I could probably resell. Oh, but you know what? I think it was supposed to be a 2-pack. Oh, wait, includes 2 ice packs. It might be missing something because as you can see, this is open and this slides right out. This is probably missing a piece. And then I've got, what is this? 8 reusable straws and 1 cleaning brush. It looks like all we got in here is the cleaning brush, and I think it's bent. So this is like complete trash, but I will probably keep this because I do need something to clean my kids' water bottle straws with. So that's something I'd keep, but if you were looking to resell this kind of stuff, this would be trash. 2 more items. I've got a Cuisinart, hopefully I'm saying that right, classic non-stick bakeware. The packaging is ripped on here, but other than that, it looks like it's new. I don't know what the retail value of this is. If it's less than $10, the weight of this is definitely over £1. It might not even be worth it to try and resell it. The packaging is all taped up, so I would probably have to just sell this as used. Last item, I don't know what this is. Oh, large divided fridge bin. Okay. I'm assuming it's just taped. This is a nice bin though. This is something I would actually use to store stuff in. Probably not in the refrigerator, but just like on the shelf in general. My camera just turned off again. I don't know what's going on. But this is the last item. It's a large refrigerator bin. I think these probably sell for $10 or so, but this is something that I would keep. It is scratched up, and I do actually need something like this to store like my kids' snacks in on the shelf. So altogether, if you were to buy this to resell, this would be a fail. Other than these, which we could sell probably all together for like $100 potentially, and we'd make our money back. But in terms of profit, there's not much here. And again, I only did this because there was a $50 eBay supply coupon involved. Again, thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a comment down below if you bought one of these boxes and let me know what you think.